Greetings, Mark Brown here. Going to be looking at how we can create an order and an unordered list right in our web page. Alright, so first thing first, we want to come right here, file. We're going to click. Now it gives us this section right here. We're going to create it now. Alright, so we're going to put index dot html, and then we're going to click right inside here. So it's going to take us right here to the desktop. Alright, so if you notice, I want to click right here on desktop because when I'm ready for it, I want to make sure and save it. Right here, so create the file. So we're going to click to create the file. So immediately, right up here, that's going to put in the tag at HTML. I'm going to close it and press enter. I'm going to put in the heading now. We're creating an order list and an order list right here. So close the head now. So in between the head, we're going to put the title. We're going to close it just the same. Alright. So we're just going to put the word list right here. If you want to go down, we're going to press enter. We're going to put the word body right there. We're going to actually close it. We're going to press enter. Alright, so everything else we do must be in the body. Alright. So right here, so the unordered list is here. Notice right here. Then I'm going to close it, which is UL. Alright. I'm going to put the LI, which is the bullet. Just the same. So I'm going to search, put the list of the unordered item. Right here, we're going to put the next one, which is LI again. Just the same. So we're going to put that one. Alright, so we're going to come back again. So we want the next one now. Put the same LI. We're going to close it. Alright, so we're going to put something inside of it again. Alright, let's correct that. So now we finish this one now. Alright, now we're going to press enter, go down. So we're going to put in the next one now is order list, which is OL. Alright, and then we're going to close it just like that. Press the enter just the same. We'll put in the same LI. Alright, so put in the same LI now. Alright. Alright, so we're going to come to the end. Press enter, same LI. And we're going to put it. Alright, so want one more LI. Alright, press enter, go down. One more LI, the LI stands for bullet. So far. Yes. Now we're going to save it to see exactly how your web page look like. So come right up here to file, all the way down here to save. Now I want to minimize this right here. If you notice, this one is our web page right here. So you're going to right click. When you right click, definitely notice open. I'm not going to press open. I'm going to press open with. Alright, so come across here. We're going to open that in Google Chrome. Click, right, so you're going to see exactly how the web page look like and what adjustment we can make and all of that within it, right? So we did not need for it to, it's actually processing so far. Very important. So we're going to see exactly, remember, it's an order and unordered list we actually creating so far. Alright, sorry for the little delay within this thing come up, but definitely you will see exactly what's really going on in short order. Alright, so everything will be showing up here. and then you see exactly right. If you notice right up here, the order list and order list, right? So definitely this is how you actually do the thing so far right here. So they can see, right? You might be wondering which one is the order list or the one is unorderly. Right, let me bring you back to this section. If you notice, the bottom one is the order list. So the top one, unordered list, right? So you notice the unordered list, you see that one with the number. Alright. Let's just bring up the page. Alright, you notice? Right, unordered branch is right up here. So notice this is what. So this is exactly how it actually look like. Right? An order list and order. So this is what we actually do and create an unordered list right here in our web page. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.